Writers, scientists, gardeners, activists, and influencers. People who have changed the way we think about the environment and how best to protect it. Beginning with William Wordsworth, the Romantic poet, who described the Lake District as a sort of national property, instigating the movement for creating national parks and a really fundamental moment in the development of nature conservation. Alongside portraits from the National Portrait Gallery collection, the exhibition includes material from Dunham Massey, including a piece of coral, which will be shown alongside the portrait of David Attenborough, who has recently raised awareness about the devastating impact of rising ocean temperatures on marine life. A long list of potential portraits was edited down by the youth rangers here at Dunham Massey.
On the table here we've got loads of portraits, including some self-portraits of you guys, of people that have been important to nature or the way that landscape looks in the past or today.